What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, my name is Evan and I make videos about hot stocks, options, and dividends. So if that interests you guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now in today's video, we're going over whether NIO stock is overpriced or underpriced, or whether they're at a good price to buy in right now. So just taking a look at this chart here on CNN, you can see that for the last week, almost each day, they ended up higher than they started the day. So Friday, they had a 3% gain. Monday, they had almost a 6% gain. Tuesday, almost 23%. And then Wednesday, again, 14%. Over the week, this is almost a 45% gain. Now, it's no secret that NIO is increasing numbers and sales and everything that goes along with that, as well as their revenue. They're pretty much just growing overall year over year. Like if we look at their earnings growth from last year, it was nearly 85%. And then this year, they also grew by about 55% in their earnings. The revenue from last year also increased by 51%. Now, NIO is still not making a profit yet, and they're actually very in debt, but they have a lot of potential, especially because if you take a look at a stock like Tesla, nobody really believed in Tesla at first, and they didn't think it would go much past a couple $100s for the share price. Well, if you take that same mindset and bring it to NIO, well, there's no reason why NIO couldn't hit $50 to $100 in the next year or so. So the way NIO is right now, around the $20 area for the share price, I think right now this is a pretty fair value for what the price is. But I think in the next year or so, once more people find out about NIO and once NIO starts producing more vehicles, and if they put out a prediction of when they're going to be profitable, I think that will give investors a good perspective on NIO, and potentially that will draw in more investors. But you can see, according to 15 analysts, they're predicting over the next 12 months that the median price of NIO will be at $104, with a high of almost $160 and a low of $30. So even at the low price, the low end, what these analysts are predicting, that's still a 47% increase from where the price is currently around right now. And if the price were to hit the median of 104 within the next 12 months, which I think is perfectly doable as long as NIO doesn't continue losing more money, which they're not doing right now. They're actually decreasing their debt, and hopefully they'll break into the profits in the next couple of years. But as long as they don't go down, I think it's perfectly doable that they could hit this $104 mark. Now here's a few charts to look at. These are based on analysts and what they think NIO will do in the future. If we look at the top right here for the growth, you can see that they're expecting an annual growth of around 53%. Now that would be really huge for NIO, as well as the sales are estimated at 15% quarterly for their growth. And these analysts are expecting that NIO will have sales between $20 billion and $30 billion, with an average around $24 billion. So just looking at these charts and what analysts are predicting in the future in the coming years, I think NIO right now, for what it is, I think it's decently priced. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps increasing by the end of the year, because the fourth quarter is usually the best for car sales, which means NIO will probably increase sales in the fourth quarter, and therefore the share price should go up. It won't necessarily for sure, but it should. And so that's kind of what I think. I think right now it's at a fair value, maybe slightly underpriced, but definitely over the next year or two, I think it could definitely 3 to 5x in price. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I would be curious what you guys think NIO is worth and what you think NIO could hit in the future. Also, let me know if you guys own any NIO shares and if you're planning on buying more in the future. So this about wraps up everything I wanted to mention today. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button because it really does help out the channel. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next one. Bye.